Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on airplane mode and where to find it. To do this simple operation we have to access our shortcuts menu. To do this option we have to swipe from the top on the right side of the phone, and now we can see our shortcuts. Here we have airplane mode right here. To turn it on, we simply need to tap it once, and airplane mode is now activated. We can see here a little airplane icon, and airplane mode is here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.